Oh, yay. Oh, yes. You're gonna chainsaw me, right? Okay.
Frick. I need to wait for him to pick you up.
It's not going to.
Oh.
I know, I know. God damn it. This is not good.
They've got big brain
You
pliability.
got borrowed time skill?
No.
What's he doing?
Oh, yep, autodidacts.
Uh-oh.
No, this isn't the best time to be running autodidact.
Come on. There's not a pallet anywhere in this area. Yeah. Oh,
He's gonna.
thought he had
He's gonna
Tinker,
find
but
us.
that's weird.
Yeah.
Yep. Beagle's dead on hook. If you guys are close to each other and Beagle gets downed first, he might slug. And then Beagle can use his no mither. But you know, that's kind of like situational.
Someone close to getting you. Awesome.
Looks like someone to, it's either Beagle or Cuckoo is running towards. Yeah, I think it's Beagle is about to get me. Okay.
Oh man.
Heal me here and then leave. Like pretend to heal me. And after 4 seconds, leave. After the hook, I mean.
It's gonna take much less than 4 seconds to get there.
Alright, get off of me now. So that means he'll, I'm going for that save.
Dead hard?
Damn.
Will you activate, please?
Yeah, that's why I don't like Dead Hard that much anymore.
No.
I'm gonna run one way and then run the other.
That's how you get tunneled.
But it doesn't matter. He had the clear shot to get to there. All these pallets are gone.
Get a spam up
Yummy life.
over with white tunnel survivor.
I could probably dodge this guy's chainsaw
Right.
if I wasn't asleep.
What's he doing?
Oh yeah, Cuckoo?
That's not a thing, Mr. Billy.
What?
You're currently below the bullet point.
What?
Does he know I'm here? Yes. Fuck me.
Lupin, 360, nice.
Well, he just gave me that. Sorry, I know you're trying to do the gen. Well, I don't know why he didn't M1 me there, but okay.
Because he's super
I can see you clear as day.
nice. It's nice mind games.
He's trying to do this. This is so weird. Alright. The window's open here. What the f- Okay. I guess that's acceptable.
Just got mega mind game.
Yeah. Well, at least you guys broke his momentum. You can get a gen done now. Stand still. He won't. He'll have to guess which direction you're. Oh, that works too. You're both in lockers.
Facing Dark City.
Oh. That's pretty cool. I played a little bit of Dark Pit. Dark Pit's cool.